ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kibor penyak jong ke Modern Secondary School Yalong, ha ka arpu santri kubunai naiwing arajar arpu wei, kila penderung dekat themai ki arpu ngut ki kena school, ki ban tip no, nang ne syakamat kum ki Junior Red Cross, hapo ka seng Indian Red Cross Society. Kum kadak ka jing pedang ngobha ye kini ki kena, la penlong ye ka jing yalang ka balingkot, bala penyak de ka kong B pali, ka badai ka counselor jong ka Junior Red Cross Society Modern Secondary School Yalong, harengkat ka jing sakhi lang jong ba ohiwat lalu, ubadai secretary jong ka Indian Red Cross Society ka West Dentia Hills Unit, ubalalong kumukongsan. Uba han paya nong pelu ubadai life member ubalalong kumusumbut kongsan ka kong W Power ka badai ka headmistress jong ka Modern Secondary School Yalong lembat kinong hikai.
Rejoice, children all over the world. Junior Red Cross, come raise your voice. Let our songs be heard. Far and near, come let us share, sending a message of courage and joy. Sorrows be vanished, dark clouds be vanished, when our song echoes all over the world. Junior Red Cross, let us rejoice, children all over the world. Junior Red Cross, come raise your voice, let our songs be heard.